Dive into the world of immersive audio with Sony SRS XB13, a portable Bluetooth speaker that redefines your sound experience. This marvel of sound engineering boasts portability, Bluetooth connectivity, karaoke features, and a party mode to elevate your gatherings. Built to withstand splashes and keep the party going with a whopping 25-hour battery life, it's a game changer. Unleash the power of sound with Sony SRS XB13. The Sony SRS XB13 brings your music wherever you go. Its lightweight design and built-in handle make it incredibly portable. Whether it's a picnic in the park or a beach day, this speaker is ready for adventure. But that's not all. The Bluetooth connectivity feature ensures seamless integration with your devices. It's as simple as turning on your Bluetooth, pairing your device, and voila! You're ready to rock out to your favorite playlist or podcast. No tangled wires, no complicated setups, just pure, uninterrupted sound. With Sony SRS XB13, your favorite tunes are always just a tap away. Turn every gathering into a party with the Sony SRS XB13. This speaker isn't just about great sound, it's about creating an experience. With its karaoke feature, you can sing your heart out to your favorite tunes. And it doesn't stop there. The party lights sync to the rhythm, creating a vibrant atmosphere that matches your high-energy anthems or chilled-out playlists. So, whether you're throwing a birthday bash or hosting a casual get-together, the Sony SRS XB13 is the ideal companion to keep the party going. With Sony SRS XB13, you're not just playing music, you're creating memories. The Sony SRS XB13 is built to last and resist. This sturdy speaker is splash-resistant, meaning it can stand up to accidental spills or sudden rain showers, making it a reliable partner for your outdoor events. But it doesn't just stop there. One of the most impressive features of this speaker is its phenomenal battery life. With a single charge, it provides up to 25 hours of playtime. So whether you're hosting an all-night party or going on a day-long road trip, the Sony SRS XB13 won't let you down. Sony SRS XB13, your unwavering companion for all adventures. Experience the Sony SRS XB13 and redefine your sound journey. Consider the power of portability, Bluetooth connectivity, karaoke features, splash resistance, and long-lasting battery life. All these features are packed into this one innovative device. It's time to enhance your audio experience. Follow the link in the description below to buy your Sony SRS XB13 today and embark on an unparalleled audio adventure.